Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Cassell, and I'm realizing what terrible lighting I have right here for this. I'm homesick, so this is your tutorial for how to access your lesson for today. Welcome to Positive Physics. We'll use this for homework and for choice practice throughout the year. There are a lot of really wonderful things about it, especially, I'll show you in a few minutes. You need to get logged in first, check your email for instructions, and then use the links that are in Canvas for your assignments. If you take a look at what's over there, this is our sort of introduction assignment here that shows you how to log in, the links in there, and then here are your two assignments that you have. So these will help you navigate to what's there. I wish I was there to walk through this with you, but it's the first time, we'll make it work. So just to go ahead and take a look at what's going on, when you get into one of these assignments, for example, one of yours is interpreting graphs. If you click the link in Canvas, it'll take you directly here. Positive physics was started by a high school physics teacher who was frustrated with the types of repeated practice that were available for students in physics. There's a lot of good open-ended questions online. There's some loosey-goosey stuff in Khan Academy, and then he decided to build his own site to really help make something that was useful to his students, and now it's a whole big thing. It's great. So, each lesson starts with a little video tutorial, both showing you how to do the assignment and also covering the big ideas that are the physics that are part of it. At the top, you'll always see there's a reference sheet here. This is an equation sheet. It's attached for all of the units that we do. In later lessons, we'll have a paper assignment sheet, so use that or a paper equation sheet. Use that reference if you need to. The questions you can see up here, there's 8 questions, or you can click proceed to the questions down below and it'll take you. And everywhere you see a yellow box, an answer needs to go. What's unique about positive physics is every number that's in blue is randomized. So you'll see right here, it says this value is randomized. So you can work with your neighbor, you can work with your whole table group, but your numbers will all be different. The answer that will go in the box will be different. So instead, you need to talk about how you found your answer or why your answer is accurate. So this whole first lesson is about reviewing some graphing skills. We'll be working on graphs a lot this week, depending on what math you're in or who your math teachers have been or what grade you were in during COVID. It really changes what you've experienced in terms of the your graph confidence. So that's one of the things you'll do. I'm going to put in a fake number, obviously wrong. If you click check answers down here, the little red X means answer incorrect. When you get your answer correct, you will get a green box. So I'll actually try here. So when X is 80, Y is 400 on mine. I can check my answers over and over if I want, or I can fill them all in and check them at once. When X is 120, what is Y? 120, 600. You'll notice I got a dark green box this time because I got it correct on the first try. And I got a light green box on this one because I got it right on the second try. This assignment is being graded on completion, getting all the way through the questions, being able to answer all of these. That's what will get you full points. Later assignments, when we're using this for practice and actually checking for understanding, your accuracy and your completion will be part of your grade. So get out a piece of paper, get out your calculator. Don't just type in and use the screen as your exclusive learning environment. You're going to need other tools to work through some of these problems. For example, when asked you to find the slope, I know I've got to do rise over run. I've got to do some math. Jot that down in your notebook or on a piece of scratch paper. Don't just try to do it up here in your head or on your calculator. You're not learning if you do that. You're just checking your answers, which there's a button that does that. I want your brain to understand how you got to your answer. All right. So that's my little tutorial there. So you'll see that because I checked, it changes my accuracy and completion score right here. So you can see what kind of grade you're going to get as you go. Feel free to support each other, and then hopefully this will be not too hard to do while I'm gone, and we'll answer questions about it tomorrow when I'm back. Take care, stay safe.